newsletter 8th of February, and let's have a look into the price action of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrency market. So this is how the Bitcoin chart looks like from the wires perspective. Nothing specific spotted because we have the weekend. So on the weekend, usually nothing big happens, but we have a lot of liquidation at 95 and also at 97. And usually market makers, they take both of them. So we can expect week to the up and then bottom or vice versa. In terms of the liquidation in the last 24 hours, 120 millions, which is quite calm thing. Look at the candle we had a week ago when everyone was liquidated. So everyone is resting after that period. In terms of the RSI, we are looking fine. Actually, altcoins are recapping. In terms of the alt season 40, so we are decreasing finally. We get crushed so much. In terms of the Bitcoin price action compared to US 500, Ethereum and others, how do we look really? So yeah, US 500 is at the resistance. Why not, right? We can see it 1, 2, 3. We could say it's triple top, but the fact is it can still go higher actually. But but this is resistance, not support, okay? And we need to be aware about it. So we can have some still pullback, and this can drag Bitcoin lower to 86, 87,000, which will give 15-20% of pullback, which we see every month. But for some reason, we can see actually altcoins going a little bit on the green candle key, and there they got destroyed so much that they could actually have a bounce to the previous resistance. So let's monitor it. If we look at the other charts, that's exactly how the situation is. And I mean, it should go a little bit higher, okay? That's the main thing. So I think we can expect the relief pullback to 320 billions for others, which means almost 50% could be in the price action to the altcoins. Okay, that's the main message. And the longs we could actually take, I believe. Some smaller longs position on others which got destroyed. So shitcoins just for a few days. With the good risk reward ratio, I think this is the main thing. When you look into the other chart, Bitcoin versus gold, this is where we are, this is where we go. No change here, okay? Looks exactly the same. When we look into the other things, Ethereum candle of 6 months looks decent. Do we need to wait 6 months, so June, and then pump in July? Let's see. But if we pump hard. It can be like with XRP, okay? So once XRP pump it, no one can dump it that much, really. That's how the Ethereum dominance looks like. It came back to the support and to the demand zone, basically. Others looks fine. Then if we look XRP, we have pullback, but come on, we from 30 billions went to 160, basically strict without any pause. Okay, pause. So that's where we are. We still can have a decent move upward. So that's the situation. Bitcoin circle lows on BitBo. We are a little bit looking strange here, like we shouldn't see this pullback, but we saw this on the Glassnode. We saw this, but in both cases, by BitBo and Glassnode, we see only buy up right now. So yeah, I think the liquidations we had last week kind of black spot even, and it was organized and manipulated by market makers just to kick out from the positions, and that's all. Yeah, 300, 400K for Bitcoin is coded. Ethereum, a lot of inflow last week. Over weekend, nothing. That's okay. And Bitcoin Google trend as it always, exactly as the price. Ethereum minus 20%, which should go higher, much higher, like XRP very soon. Bitcoin number 7 lost 2 trillion. It was 2 trillion 2 at the beginning. It lost 2. Now it's 1 again, 1.9. But it's keeping number 7. So all profits, Bitcoin's addresses in loss are at the low, which means everyone is in profit almost, like most of the people. VDD in the good position, and all the rest looks fine. And the most important thing at the end, we'll be checking basically the psychology thing, where we are with the market. So basically everyone got dumped. So now it would make sense to pump. Basically, market makers wanted you sell your altcoins, or you force you to sell by liquidation, and they did it correctly. So they bought your liquidated and our liquidated positions to pump it in the next few months. So in the nutshell, I think we should take a risk reward and calculated risk for altcoins right now, shitcoins, to put longs and wait a few months for the first profits. So let's see and talk to you tomorrow.